what appears to be one of the hardest situations for us to be in is the heartache hiccup. When you break up with somebody, they break up with you, somebody who you was really into, you love, was in love with, whatever, infatuated with, I guess. But when y'all break up, there's a sadness and a grief, some serious ass pain. Because some people do some stuff which they think is best to eliminate that pain. But the true way to eliminate that pain is to appreciate the truth of what is and what was. Just remember those good times. And not in a longing to go back, because you're not going back to those good times. You went through them. They're in the past. And as much as they're in the past, they are in the present, because once they're brought to life, the truth of them exists forever. So you remember that for when it was and what it was, and appreciation for that. You can still feel that happiness and love in remembrance. And then go on and fuck with your life. Be happy in where you are now, or get on to a new happiness, because you're not going back to that happiness, especially if you have to force it. You don't have to force being in the truth of now.